Reynolds on the keys. Alright, Steele on the bass. And the hardest working man in show business is the Dave Atkins on the drums. There ain't nothing like, there ain't nothing like, there ain't nothing like hip-hop music. There ain't nothing like, there ain't nothing like, there ain't nothing like hip-hop music. There ain't nothing like, there ain't nothing like, there ain't nothing like hip-hop music. There ain't nothing like, there ain't nothing like, there ain't nothing like hip-hop music. Atkins. You'll want this party started, right? You'll want this party started quickly, right?
This is going to our bad guy Electrics from Sydney who blessed this one on the record. Woodford, you ready? Get up for the horny dogs! Transformed in a sudden metamorphosis. In the stage get past the nauseousness. The big kicks, then I'll start walking. All the breakers are locking. I'm swinging over here, think I'm stinging over there, y'all. When I set it off, top of the stairs, I'm blazed all day. It's a daily operation. I used to skate in the park, after that from the state. I know how to get all the way to the back. Oh yeah. That's the stick with them. Alright, you ready? You're swinging over here, y'all. Swinging over here, y'all. Swinging over here, y'all. We're swinging over here, y'all. Swinging over here, y'all. We're swinging over here, y'all. We're swinging over, swinging over, swinging over, swinging over. Dip, 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 dip. Dip, 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 dip.
Resin Dogs, Hydro Club, Oz Hip Hop, the Hilltop Woods, TJU, Banker Boy, you know how we do? It's a daily operation. 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 You know? As we take you all the way back to Grande Audio, all the way up to high fidelity dirt. Alright, I need your help with this one. It's real easy. Even if you've never heard this shit before, it's so easy. Anyone can do it. Like I said, as we stay on that Grande Audio vibe, this one's called Give Me a Break. I think we put this one out like 1998, 99. So say this with me. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Let me hear it, come on. Sha-na-na-na-na. Ooh. Oh, it's fine in Woodford. Sha-na-na-na-na. Louder, louder.
Thank you so much for doing this. So good to see so many smart faces.
I say, oh, let's say this shit. We can do a higher than